Woodland-adjacent pest prevention in new home construction must be planned from the start to keep wood-destroying insects and wildlife out. Start by designing a wide, defensible space of at least 20 feet plus between the house and woodland edge, and make that a non-combustible, vegetation-managed zone to reduce pest harborage. Use non-wood siding on walls that face the woods, such as fiber, cement, brick, or stone, to eliminate timber as an attractive food source and to reduce hidden galleries for termites and carpenter ants. Maintain tree and shrub buffers by keeping branches trimmed so they do not contact the roof or walls. Remove stumps and woody debris within the defensible space, and choose low-maintenance, pest-resistant plantings for the inner yard. Implement aggressive perimeter monitoring by scheduling monthly physical inspections during warm months, installing baiting stations at set intervals around the foundation, and documenting findings with dated photos and notes so trends are obvious. Pre-treat susceptible zones during construction by treating soil around footings with a long-lasting termiticide approved for foundation protection, and by applying borate treatments to exposed framing before cladding goes on. Provide clear public education to neighbors about coordinated property maintenance, sharing best practices on trimming, debris removal, and reporting sightings so the whole block reduces collective risk. Use airtight flashing, raised thresholds, and screened vents to close common entry points, and include a simple maintenance checklist in the homeowner handover packet. Common mistakes include assuming a small gap between the house and woods is sufficient, which leads to rapid reinfestation. The fix is to increase the defensible space and remove ground-level cover that shelters pests. A second issue is using untreated or natural wood on exterior walls facing the woodland, which invites colonization. The solution is to specify durable non-wood cladding and use treated framing where wood is unavoidable. A third frequent problem is inconsistent monitoring and homeowner complacency that allows infestations to grow unnoticed. Counter that by setting a fixed inspection schedule, teaching occupants what to look for, and installing simple passive monitoring devices that are checked monthly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work on pest mitigation and construction choices tailored to woodland-adjacent sites. We connect contractors seeking work with homeowners and host an active discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.